Water is essential to life, yet many people overlook a simple truth: not all tap water is as clean as it should be. Every day, households consume water that may contain impurities, chemicals, or sediments that can affect taste, health, and household appliances. The good news is that improving water quality doesn't require complicated machinery or expensive systems. There is a straightforward, practical method that anyone can implement at home to make their water safer and cleaner. Even in developed areas, tap water often contains trace minerals, chlorine, or other additives used to maintain safety in the municipal system. While generally safe, these elements can influence taste and may accumulate in appliances or pipes over time. Many people attempt costly solutions without realizing that small, simple adjustments can make a measurable difference. The problem is not always contamination severe enough to be dangerous but subtle enough to impact water quality and enjoyment. A practical way to address this issue is through a layered home filtration method. By combining mechanical filtration, activated carbon, and sediment traps, you can remove particles, chlorine, and unpleasant tastes without relying on commercial systems. The key is consistency and understanding the flow of water through these filters, which allows them to work efficiently over time. Using affordable components like charcoal, fine sand, and gravel in sequence, water passes through each layer and emerges significantly cleaner. Another essential component is regular maintenance. Even the most effective filter fails if it becomes clogged or is used beyond its lifespan. Flushing the system, replacing filter media periodically, and monitoring water clarity are crucial steps. With these simple measures, you can ensure that the water you drink, cook with, and use in appliances maintains a higher standard of cleanliness. The key insight is that you don't need to overcomplicate the process. Understanding the basic principles of filtration and sediment removal, along with modest, inexpensive materials, is enough to achieve a noticeable improvement in water quality. Consistent attention to the system ensures long-term efficiency and safety. By focusing on fundamentals: filtration, regular cleaning, and proper flow, you can dramatically improve water clarity and taste without large investments. In conclusion, improving water quality at home can be straightforward, affordable, and effective. By implementing a layered filtration approach, paying attention to maintenance, and understanding how water moves through each layer, you can create a reliable system that enhances every drop in your household. This method is accessible to anyone, regardless of technical background or budget. If you want to explore this method further, try building a simple filtration system using everyday materials and monitor the difference it makes. For those interested in learning more, the description below includes a detailed guide on how to assemble your home filtration system using safe, easy-to-find components. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical guides on water safety and household solutions. Check the description for step-by-step instructions and resources to help you implement your own water improvement system at home.